Chester. Beautiful little, going on 2-year-old stud colt. We got a few of the brood mares fed. We got their babes that are weaned, fed. It's 2 colts, one which is mine. They're fed. Got this smooth gray over here fed. Beautiful blue roan. Let's see what else we got in the barn. I'm done watering and feeding over here, and I'm gonna go across the street. I'm just gonna show y'all. This is the old horse barn that my father-in-law built years ago. I love it, but it needs a lot of work. Beautiful hallways. Love it. Let's see what we got over here. Hey, baby. This is the sweetest little stud pony. It's so pretty. Sweetheart. And down here at the end, we've got our beautiful Palomino stud, DS Frenchman Bar, aka Baby Huey. Hi, buddy. Huey. He's a sweetheart. So freaking sensible. I'll take him on a pasture full of mares. Get a handle on him, let him do whatever you want. With no problem. Let's see your face. Come here. Let's show your face. Huey. Hey. Hey, buddy. So I'll do whatever you want except today. I'm too busy eating. He's so pretty. He has even been started on barrels. So, all right, we're gonna go over there, across the street on the other side of the arena. We got some brood mares over there. I'll let y'all see them.